Welcome to Compare to Win. The best door buzzer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked gadgets for any modern home or apartment, offering a simple yet effective way to know who's at your door without the need for complex wiring or installation, ensuring you never miss a visitor or a delivery again, and providing an added layer of security and convenience that can significantly enhance your daily life. Number 5. AVANTEK CW11 Wireless Doorbell. Introducing the AVANTEK Wireless Doorbell, your reliable solution for staying connected. It offers an impressive operating range and a variety of customizable features for your convenience. Setting up is incredibly simple. Just plug in the receiver and mount the transmitter using the included accessories. You'll have it working in no time. Enjoy an ultra-long wireless range of up to 1,000 feet. This ensures you can hear the chime from anywhere in your home, no matter how far away you are. Choose from 52 delightful melodies and adjust the volume across 5 levels to suit your preference. The powerful speaker delivers clear and crisp sound. The transmitter is built to last, featuring an IP55 dustproof and waterproof rating. It operates reliably in extreme temperatures, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Forget about resetting your preferences. This device remembers your last chosen melody and volume level, even after a power outage, for a truly hassle-free experience. What we like. This doorbell boasts an impressive 1,000-foot wireless range, ensuring you won't miss a visitor even in large homes. With 52 melodies and adjustable volume, it offers great customization. If you need reliable coverage throughout your house and enjoy having a variety of sound options, this is a solid choice. What people say. This one was super easy to install, literally just plugged the receiver into an outlet and stuck the button to my doorframe with the included adhesive. Took maybe 5 minutes, tops. The chime itself is nice and loud, but not obnoxious. There are also a ton of different chimes to choose from, I think I counted over 50. The fact that it's waterproof is a big plus too. We've had some pretty heavy rain lately, and the button hasn't missed a beat. Number 4. SadoTech Wireless Doorbells. Introducing the SadoTech Wireless Doorbells, your perfect solution for home security and convenience. This kit includes everything you need for a simple DIY installation. Setting up is a breeze, and you can personalize your experience with over 50 chime sounds and 4 volume settings. It's ideal for any situation, from quiet nap times to lively parties. Experience unparalleled freedom with its impressive 1,000-foot range, thanks to our advanced technology that doesn't require Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's perfect for large homes, offices, and more. This doorbell is not just wireless, it's smart. It remembers your settings and features modern LED lights for easy visibility at night. Plus, it's built to withstand extreme weather conditions. Its versatility makes it suitable for various settings, including apartments, businesses, and even classrooms. You can use it for front gates, back fences, or mailboxes, indoors or outdoors. What we like. This option provides a 1,000-foot range and over 50 chime options, perfect for large homes or busy offices. Its smart LED flash is a great visual cue for guests, especially at night. If you're looking for a doorbell that's both functional and has a modern visual alert, this one stands out. What people say. It has a nice clear sound and I can hear it perfectly. The installation was easy and quick, with screws and a double stock adhesive, so I had different ways to mount it. Very good range, lots of sounds, easy to set up. Number 3. AVANTEK D3B Wireless Doorbell. Introducing the AVANTEK Wireless Doorbell, designed for exceptional performance. Experience a reliable connection that reaches over 1,300 feet, ensuring you never miss a visitor. This doorbell is engineered for durability. Its high-performance transmitter features ultra-low power consumption and is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, operating reliably from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting up is a breeze with the included mounting hardware. You can easily add more receivers to expand coverage throughout your home, ensuring you hear the chime no matter where you are. Choose from 52 beautiful melodies to personalize your doorbell sound. With 5 adjustable volume levels, including a powerful 115 dB option, you can select the perfect tone and loudness for any situation. Enjoy the convenience of its memory function. It automatically saves your last selected melody and volume settings, so you don't have to reconfigure them after a power outage. Experience crystal clear, CD quality sound with every ring. It also features a visual LED flash alert, providing an additional notification method. What we like. Experience an exceptional 1,300-foot wireless range with this doorbell, which also includes 2 plug-in receivers for expanded coverage. Its CD quality sound ensures clear and pleasant chimes. If you have a very large property or need to cover multiple areas of your home, the extended range and dual receivers make this an excellent option. What people say. It's surprisingly loud for its size. You can put this anywhere. I have a 6-bedroom house and you can hear it from every room. The chimes fit everywhere, and there are a dizzying number of ring tones with adjustable volume. The doorbell button itself is the perfect size, not too small and not obnoxiously big. The range is impressive. I live in a 2-story house with thick walls, and the chime still rings loud and clear no matter where I am. There are so many options, from classic ding-dongs to fun little melodies. You can set it loud enough to hear from the backyard. And the LED light is a thoughtful touch. Number 2. AVANTEK CB21 Mini Wireless Doorbell. Introducing the AVANTEK CB21 Mini Wireless Doorbell, designed for your convenience. It offers a reliable way to be alerted when visitors arrive. Experience an impressive wireless range of over 1,000 feet. You'll never miss a visitor, no matter where you are in your home. Personalize your experience with 52 distinct melodies and adjustable volume levels. You can even set different tones for each button to know who's at the door. This doorbell is built for durability, featuring an IP55 waterproof and dustproof rating. It operates reliably in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, handling various weather conditions. Setting it up is a breeze with no wiring required. Plus, its memory function retains your last settings after a power outage, making it incredibly user-friendly. Rest assured with our commitment to quality. This product is FCC, CE, and RoHS approved, backed by dedicated customer service for your peace of mind. What we like. This doorbell offers a 1,000-foot range and the unique ability to set different tones for its 2 included buttons. This is perfect for distinguishing between your front and back doors. If you want to know exactly which entrance your visitor is at without even looking, this feature is a game changer. What people say. The size of the mini ringers has been reduced so that when you plug it into a 2-socket plug it doesn't also cover the second plug. The sound level and ring tone one chooses stays set if the power goes out or if you move the ringer to another location. The highest volume can probably be heard from the moon, so if you're hard of hearing or work in a barn a mile away, you'll still hear this doorbell on the highest setting. Number 1. FullHouse Wireless Doorbell Kit. Never miss a visitor again. This doorbell kit lets you distinguish between your front and rear doors with unique chimes, so you always know where to find your guests. Enjoy peace of mind with an impressive over 1,000 feet range in open air. Whether you're upstairs or in the backyard, you'll always be alerted when someone's at the door. Choose from 60 delightful melodies and adjust the volume across 5 levels to suit your preference. Need quiet? Opt for the silent mode with a subtle LED flash. Designed with IP44 waterproof rating, the outdoor button is built to withstand the elements. It's perfect for any home, office, or classroom setting. Installation is a breeze, just plug in the receiver and mount the transmitter. Plus, you can easily expand the system to include up to 8 transmitters and unlimited receivers. This versatile doorbell is ideal for homes, apartments, offices, and even classrooms. Its reliable performance ensures you're always connected. What we like. With a 1,000-foot range and 60 melodies, this doorbell offers extensive customization and reliable coverage. Its standout feature is the ability to assign different tones to distinguish between your front and rear doors. If you need to easily identify which door is being rung, especially in a multi-entrance home or office, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Buttons are big and receivers are very loud. They do exactly as advertised. We placed a receiver in the basement, towards the middle of our very long house, and you can hear it echo throughout the whole house. Volume is high and all 3 doorbells can be set to have a different ring tone so you'll know which door to go open. Received this wireless doorbell kit today. Installed the 3 receivers and 2 transmitters in less than 30 minutes. Very, very easy and absolutely no issues. Installed 1 receiver centrally located on main floor of medium-sized 2-story house, 2nd receiver upstairs, and 3rd receiver in detached workshop approximate 40 foot, through several walls and not a straight shot, from main floor receiver. The 2nd doorbell tone for side door is a nice option feature. All work great. We really like that the receivers plug into electrical outlets. Also like the option, which we used, of attaching the transmitters with screws rather than only with stick-on strips. Each receiver chime has not been set up with the 2 ring buttons, but instructions were clear and easy to follow. There are a lot of ring tones and the buttons can be assigned to different tones or the same, and seemingly, each receiver can be set to 2 different ring tones. The ring buttons are sturdy and have the bell logo on them. They are obviously doorbell buttons even at first glance. The double stick tape is way better than expected, it even worked on stucco. Range and reception doesn't seem to be an issue. Even through stucco, the receivers work in any location in our home without a problem. Long, 2-story 3,200 square feet. Flexible and easy to install, good instructions and didn't need to drill any holes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.